Hi everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chat.
Hello, friends. I'm Lisa, and today we'll help you learn how to talk about yourself in English.
That's right. Many English learners feel shy or confused when introducing themselves.
But don't worry. We'll make it super simple and fun.
So, Lisa, how do you usually start introducing yourself?
I usually start with my name. For example, hi, I'm Lisa.
Nice and easy. I can say, Hi, I'm Mark.
Exactly. You can also add where you're from.
Like this. I'm Mark, and I'm from England.
Perfect. Or I can say, I'm Lisa, and I'm from Canada.
Great. Next, we can talk about our jobs or what we do.
Yes, for example, I'm an English teacher.
Or, I'm a student. I'm a doctor. I'm a shopkeeper.
And if you don't work, you can say, I'm a homemaker or I'm looking for a job.
That's very helpful. Let's give a full example.
Sure, hi, I'm Lisa. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from England. I'm a podcast host.
Sounds natural.
After your name and job, you can talk about your hobbies.
Yes, for example, I like reading books or I love cooking.
Or I enjoy watching movies. Or I like playing football.
Just one or two hobbies are enough when introducing yourself.
Right. You don't want to say too much at first.
Keep it short and friendly.
Let's make a full self-introduction together.
Okay, you start, Mark.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from England. I'm a podcast host. I like traveling and watching football.
Nice, now mine. Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I love cooking and reading.
Great examples.
Listeners, try to repeat after us.
Repeat your name, your country, your job, and your hobbies.
Go slowly and speak clearly.
Practice every day, and you'll sound more natural.
Yes, confidence comes from practice.
So, Lisa, what's another thing people can add to their introductions?
You can talk about your family.
Oh, right. For example, I have 2 brothers, or I have 1 sister.
Or I live with my parents.
That's simple and easy for beginners.
You can also say your age if you want.
Like, I'm 25 years old.
Or I'm 30 years old.
But remember, you don't always have to say your age.
True, it's optional.
Let's try another example.
Sure, hi, I'm Lisa. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I'm 30 years old. I live with my family. I like cooking.
Perfect. That's a complete introduction.
Friends, try to make your own introduction now.
Yes. Pause the podcast and practice saying it aloud.
When you speak out loud, your brain learns faster.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language.
Exactly. The key is to keep practicing.
That's the spirit.
All right, let's continue with more tips in part 2.
Stay tuned. We'll teach you how to talk about your likes, dislikes, and daily life.
See you in part 2. Welcome back to Daily English Chat.
Hello again. In this part, we'll learn how to add more details when you talk about yourself.
Yes. For example, how to talk about what you like and dislike.
You can say, I like, or I don't like.
For example, I like coffee, but I don't like tea.
Or I like dancing, but I don't like waking up early.
Laughs. That sounds like you, Lisa.
Laughs, maybe.
You can also talk about your favorite things.
Like, my favorite color is blue.
Or my favorite food is pizza.
Or my favorite movie is Frozen.
It helps others know more about you.
Exactly. Sharing small things builds connection.
You can also talk about where you live.
For example, I live in Lahore, or I live in Karachi.
Or I live in a small town near Islamabad.
Add a short sentence about your city. It's a beautiful place.
It's quiet and peaceful.
People are friendly there.
That's lovely.
Now let's talk about your daily routine.
Good idea. You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I go to work at 9.
I have lunch at 1.
I finish work at 5.
I relax and watch TV in the evening.
See, that's a nice short routine.
You can use simple sentences like these to describe your day.
And you can connect them with and or then.
And you can connect them with and or then.
That's a natural way to speak.
Like, I wake up, then I take a shower, and then I go to work.
Go ahead, Mark.
That's a natural way to speak.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I live in Toronto. I love reading and cooking. My favorite food is pasta. I wake up at 6 and start teaching at 8.
Let's try a mini self-introduction again.
Wow, that's smooth and complete.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from England. I'm a podcast host. I live in London. I like football and traveling. My favorite color is blue. I usually wake up at 7 and start work at 9.
Learners, try to make your own version like this.
Your turn, Lisa.
Yes, writing helps you organize your thoughts.
Perfect. Pause once. You can write it down first, then speak it aloud.
You can record yourself and listen again.
And when you say it out loud, your pronunciation improves.
Also, use a mirror. Look at yourself while speaking.
That's a smart trick.
Great tip, Mark.
That builds confidence and helps your expressions.
So, everyone, remember the 4 parts of self-introduction.
Thanks, Lisa.
2. Job or what you do.
1. Name and country.
4. Daily life or routine.
3. Hobbies and favorite things.
Don't rush. Speak slowly and clearly.
Practice them again and again.
That's true.
And smile while you speak. It makes you sound friendly.
Yes, now it's your turn, dear listeners, to talk about yourself in English.
Well, Lisa, I think we gave a full lesson today.
Keep practicing, and you'll improve every single day.
You can share your introduction in the comments or practice with a friend.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
Thanks for listening to Daily English Chat.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you next time.